5 ways to get clear skin. Many people find it difficult to get clear skin. The methods for getting clear skin will vary, depending on the person's skin type. In general, people struggling with acne or blemishes have skin that is dry, oily, or a combination of the two. Numerous skincare tips exist for different skin types, and there are also general tips that people can try. Anyone uncertain about their skincare routine should consult a dermatologist for additional advice. 1. Avoid popping pimples. A pimple indicates trapped oil, sebum, and bacteria. It is also a sign that the body's natural healing mechanism is working. Popping the pimple disrupts this healing process. Additionally, the released liquids expose the surrounding skin to similar bacteria, increasing the risk of additional pimples forming. The exposed pimple may also lead to permanent scarring. Whenever possible, avoid popping pimples. If they drain, keep the area clean. 2. Moisturize. All skin types can benefit from moisturizing after a daily face wash. Keeping the face moisturized may help control sebum production and prevent damage from the outside elements. The most effective moisturizer will vary in each case, depending on the person's skin type. Anyone uncertain of what moisturizers will work for them should contact a dermatologist. 3. Get plenty of sleep. Not getting enough sleep may also cause your skin to break out more often. According to a 2015 study, more than 65% of the study's participants who said they felt tired also had acne. The study's authors theorized that a lack of sleep could, in some instances, cause the body to release inflammatory compounds. These compounds could cause the skin to break out or worsen acne. To stay healthy both on the inside and out, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. 4. Go easy on the sugar. Although there's limited research on the connection between your diet and your skin, several studies have shown that foods with a high glycemic index may be linked with acne. In a large study from 2009, more than 2,000 participants were placed on a low glycemic diet. Not only did they lose weight, but 87% of the study's participants also found they had less acne. Additionally, 91% said they needed less acne medication. To cut back on foods with a high glycemic index, try to limit processed carbs, like white bread and baked goods. Cut back on sugary sodas and sweets. Eat more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy sources of protein. Limit alcohol consumption. 5. Reduce stress. It is also important to minimize stress whenever possible. Researchers noted that acne vulgaris is one of the most common inflammatory skin disorders. They also highlight the link between stress and acne, stating that stress can increase inflammatory compounds in the body. Strong feelings of anger or emotional stress may lead to an acne breakout or make symptoms worse. Due to this, it is important to find ways of reducing stress to help control acne. Stress management techniques include exercising regularly, getting massages or acupuncture, engaging in calming practices, such as meditation or breathing exercises, doing movement activities, including yoga and tai chi. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates. Thank you for watching.